Welcome back to Classic Cars. Today, we're diving into a name that once ruled the American highways, the DeSoto. And guess what? It's making a comeback. That's right, the 2025 DeSoto Fireflite is here, bringing back the legendary name with modern power, style, and innovation. Buckle up, because this is going to be one thrilling ride. The Fireflite was a classic back in the 1950s, known for its sleek design, powerful V8 engine, and luxurious ride. It was one of DeSoto's finest, and now, in 2025, it's back with a vengeance. The new Fireflite isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a modern muscle car built for the future. Under the hood, the 2025 Fireflite packs a beastly 6.4-liter Hemi V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower. That's right, DeSoto isn't holding back. This machine is built for speed and power, capable of launching from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. If you prefer electric power, there's also a fully electric version with dual motors producing over 800 horsepower, making it one of the fastest DeSotos ever built. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Fireflite captures the spirit of the original with a bold front grille, signature chrome accents, and sleek lines that scream vintage muscle. But this isn't just a retro car, it's modernized with LED lighting, aerodynamic improvements, and massive 20-inch wheels that give it an aggressive stance. Step inside, and you'll find a mix of classic styling and high-tech luxury. The leather seats, digital dash, and a massive infotainment screen make it a perfect blend of old-school charm and futuristic tech. When it comes to driving, the Fireflite doesn't disappoint. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on sharp corners. The V8 growls with authority, while the EV model delivers instant torque, making every drive an adrenaline rush. Plus, with modern safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera, you get the best of both worlds: a classic muscle with cutting-edge safety. So, why is the DeSoto Fireflite making a comeback now? Well, with the rise of retro-inspired cars, brands are bringing back legends, and DeSoto's return is a dream come true for classic car lovers. It's a bold move, but one that's sure to turn heads and bring the DeSoto name back into the spotlight. The 2025 Fireflite is expected to hit dealerships later this year, with a starting price of around $65,000 for the V8 model and $80,000 for the high-performance EV. Considering its performance, style, and heritage, that's a solid deal for anyone looking to own a piece of history with modern performance. So, what do you think of the 2025 DeSoto Fireflite? Is it the perfect mix of classic and modern, or should DeSoto have stayed in the past? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching Classic Cars, and we'll see you in the next one.